Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna see the daily close for Bitcoin. As we can see, Bitcoin is still of course ranging above the invalidation here. Now a little bit deep analysis inside this area. Now it is clear for us that we have an AB or a 1-2 or WX here, and we're looking for something towards the upside. But this something towards the upside has to be of course identified, whether it is gonna be 5 waves up or it is a 3 waves towards the upside as a wave Y. And of course the 5 waves up has to be of course finished as 1-to-1 fib level or around it, I would say, in an ABC. Therefore, inside this area we have of course already a 1-2 here, let's say, or an ABC as well for the wave Y here. I am not convinced that this is an expanding diagonal, because of course as an expanding diagonal you need to have all the waves together, the same waves. Yeah, so if we have here a zigzag, okay, that might be a zigzag. You have a zigzag here, and here it looks like an impulse. Plus also this one looks almost like an impulse. You cannot see a 1-2 over there, so that means 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. So it's not possible to have of course impulse 3 waves here, as you can see, and then an impulse there. So I'm not convinced yet with this move toward the upside that it is done and finished, because if we have a 1-2 here, let's say this is a 3 waves toward the upside, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 running flat, that it can be 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 failing to take the low. Running flat means reversal, and that means of course a strong reversal, and this is exactly what we got. We got an impulse after it, and this might be of course a wave 3, and that means of course 1 ABC running flat, and then wave 3 toward the upside, and then 4 and a 5. Meaning with this impulse, if it is finished with 5 waves here, might be of course at least a wave Y. Then I can call it a wave Y as an ABC here. Yeah, so in case we have an A, B and a C over there for a wave Y. So by all means I cannot finish a wave Y over there without of course finishing an impulse, yeah, for a wave C. It has to be an ABC, right? Unless again, which I doubt it, as an expanding diagonal I doubt it so much. Plus another evidence here, we have 3 waves towards the downside, 15-minute chart almost done. So if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, it is almost done around the 1-to-1 fib level and without invalidation. Now we start to see something to push toward the upside, of course still kind of like 3 waves and somehow of course not showing a lot of strength, but we see a rebound from the 1-to-1 fib level right now. In case of course it is something as a leading diagonal, can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, of course continuation toward the upside as well. Plus another evidence here on the 1-hour chart KGT, we have of course double signal for bearish, but followed directly with a bullish one, and we start to see of course that the price has started to accumulate something towards the upside on the 1-minute chart. Also on the 3-minute chart, let me put the 3-minute here. So on the 3-minute chart as well, you can see a bullish signal, which is very interesting to see it of course on the bigger time frame already there. And also after double signals, we see that the price didn't went so far down, yeah, or aggressively down. And we see of course right now a rebound with a bullish signal, and that means of course it is a strength here that it might of course unfold something towards the upside. By all means, I'm not yet convinced that we are going to drop down from here. At least it's gonna be from there, one more high, 1-to-1 fib level, at least to finish exactly a wave C, in case we are looking for a wave C in a wave 4, in a wave Y, yeah, so WX and a Y. Other than this, if we are turning bullish here, of course, 1-2, we need to break it. We need to overshoot the 1-to-1 fib level, 75K, and then looking for a wave 3. Yep, so this is a deep analysis, of course, almost for just this structure here. I know, because it is a little bit confusing, but here we are. I think that we might see, of course, one more high before we drop down again for Bitcoin, in case we're gonna drop from the 1-to-1 fib level. In case we're gonna break it, I would say a regular flat on the daily is unfolding as an impulse toward the upside 3 waves ABC. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.